Hi, I'm Natalie with Eminence Organic Skin Care, and welcome back to In the Mix. Well, today is Mixology, so really excited. You know how much I love mixing products together. So it's going to be an interesting, we're going to do two parts today. One is to talk about our brand new Wildflower Cleansing Balm and how we're going to use it in a double cleansing method. And second is looking at our Mangosteen cleanser with the Dermafoliant to give an uplift and uptake to an exfoliation treatment for your home care. So first and foremost is double cleansing. So what the heck is double cleansing? Double cleansing is something that you can do to help first lift off as many gunks and grimes from the whole day off the face as fast as possible. This is also excellent for any of you who are out there in the film industry or wear a little bit extra cosmetics, since right now we know that there's a lot of tutorials out there on how to put on makeup. We also need to take that makeup off, so double cleansing is a fabulous way to do so. And the best way is to start with a oil-based cleanser. So in this case, we're going to be talking about our Wildflower Cleansing Balm. I'm really appreciating this product a lot because it actually is transformative. So it really can go on as an oil cleansing, or I can add a little bit of water to it and create more of a milk type cleanser for it. So it's pretty easy to use, which you have probably seen in other tutorials from Eminence before. You don't need a lot of it. So I personally think when you're doing a strong double cleansing is use it as an oil cleanser. So you would just put it directly on top of the face, and then you would go in and then allow it to emulsify into that oil. So this is going to gather and pick up everything off the surface of the skin. Then you want to remove it. So the key is not to go right ahead at a next cleanser as you remove it. So you just want to towel off or tissue off or rinse at your sink. And then you want to go to part two, which is better using a gel-based cleanser for this. This is really going to get that extra mileage that you need and pull everything out and prep the skin for your toner and additional care afterwards. So in this case, I brought out our Mangosteen Daily Resurfacing Cleanser. Pardon me, this one smells so good. I'm a little bit addicted to it. And you would do the same thing. So in the palm of your hand, you would take a small amount, add your little bit of water, get that foam lather, and then you would go directly on top of where you had gone before, and then again, just rinse it off. So this is actually how you do double cleansing. Both actually are excellent to even use around the eye area. So you can definitely go ahead and remove it and then just tissue off the eye carefully. So that's my double cleansing favorite at the moment. And then second is now can we take it one step further after double cleansing to really get everything going, is that when you can use with an exfoliant. So in this case, I love to use the Mangosteen Resurfacing Cleanser now because of the lactic acid complex that's found inside of here. So you're ready starting that process. Then you're going to do a couple shakes, of course, of our fabulous Strawberry Rhubarb Dermafoliant. And again, remember not to overuse Dermafoliant. Just to show you again, is that you really just need a couple of little shakes at the bottom of your hand. Go directly with your cleanser, then a couple of drops of water, and then you get this great combination. I can't tell you how good this smells right now. I want to put it all over my face as we speak. So hopefully you enjoy these two little extra bonuses of the double cleansing method using the Wildflower Cleansing Balm and the Mangosteen cleanser, and then again how to uplift it even further by doing a combination of a double exfoliation treatment by using the Mangosteen cleanser and our beautiful Strawberry Rhubarb Dermafoliant. So hope you enjoy this today, and if you'd like to see more of these, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you've done that, there's a little bell on the side to alert you for future videos as they come up. So you also want to click on that for us. So again, I'm Natalie with Eminence Organic Skin Care for In the Mix, and I'll catch you next time.